Razer Cynosa Chroma LED backlit keyboard. This is what it looks like when you first turn it on. It just rotates between the colors. Looks pretty nice. Once you actually program the colors, you can actually program each key a different color. I have this set up to kind of like a fire. The LEDs kind of look like a fire glowing in the background. The lights change colors and makes it look like a fire. Like I said, you can make each key a different color with the software. What it sounds like when you press the key. You can make some cool effects like this. It feels good to the fingers. It's got kind of like a, it's not 100% smooth pushing down. There's some resistance. So I don't have a lot of experience with a lot of other keyboards, but this one feels very good typing. I have no problem with it. It has good response for everything I do. So like I said, I'm going to show you I'll go ahead and show you the software. Okay, here is the program, Chroma Studio, that allows you to change your keyboard LEDs. It's got different programming layers over here. Right now, I have all these keys set to like you can select them all like this, and you can set them to a certain pattern. Like this one right here is fire, so I have that set to fire. As you can see, I have all these keys right here set to fire. Ripple, I have all my keys set to ripple, so when you actually press it, it ripples out. Reactive, which I have my escape key is reactive, and my enter key is reactive. They're a little different. And then static, I have different keys set, different layers set to a static color. So the background color is going to be blue for these. This is going to be white for these. So like I said, you can change, you can mix and match however you like it. It's really cool. I like it a lot. It makes me enjoy my keyboard a lot better than my old keyboard that was just blue. But I hope you enjoyed this review. It's like I said, it's a good keyboard. It's called Razer Cynosa Chroma. Cynosa Chroma. The Cynosa Chroma. And that's all for this video. Thanks.